Okay, real talk. I used to spend an entire weekend cleaning my house and it would still look like a mess by Sunday night. I was doing it completing world actually ground. My Venezuelan is the one that changed everything for me.
This is my house right now. This is my house right now.
I have exactly 2 hours to make it look like this.
Hack number 1, the room-to-room basket method. Grab one laundry basket, walk every room, and collect everything that doesn't belong. Don't clean yet, just collect. I did this entire walkthrough in 11 minutes. 11. This one move eliminates about 40% of what makes a house look dirty. Hack number 2, visual impact sequencing. Clean surfaces first. Your brain reads a clean surface as a clean room. Professional cleaners call this the visual priority zone. Now here's where most people go wrong. Look under your sink. I bet you have between 8 and 15 different cleaning products. That is decision fatigue built directly into your routine. Hack number 3, the one solution rule. One spray bottle. This cleans your counters, appliances, mirrors, even floors. You save 15 minutes per clean. Hack number 4, the S-pattern wipe. Never circle wipe, you just push dirt around. Go S-pattern, top to right, drop down, right to left, drop. You cover every inch. Now, what about the room that takes everyone the longest? I'm going there next, and my method is going to genuinely shock you. Hack number 5, spray first, clean last. The second you walk in, spray everything immediately. Toilet, sink, shower, then walk away. Let the cleaner do the work while you clean elsewhere. Hack number 6, the toilet brush soak secret. Pour a 1/4 cup of cleaning solution into the brush holder. It passively disinfects the brush.